Today is Sunday, November 17th, and this is another update on my progress beating the S&P 500 along with Bill Ackman's Pershing Square holdings. I do make these videos every Sunday and Tuesday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Since my last update, I closed out of my Spotify position, which I sold for a 38.89% gain. They reported their earnings and they slightly missed on revenue and EPS, but it opened the following day with just below a 10% gain, so I went ahead and took the profits, which I spread out evenly across all of my other positions, which worked out to 5% apiece. This is what the SPY chart's going to look like right now. Since the last update, the markets have pretty much gone straight down. Not only did the price break below this trend line, but it actually sits below the 15-day moving average as well. The 5-day moving average is still above the 15. As long as that remains true and the 5-day doesn't cross below the 15 for more than a few days, then I'm not going to be too concerned about this slight downturn. The SPY price has only been below the 5-day and the 15 twice since September, and both of those times only lasted a few trading sessions. It definitely sucks as it's happening, but if you can learn to not panic sell and wait a few days, normally things get back on track, especially when the overall economy is doing as good as it is right now, and inflation seems to be under control. So again, even if the market does take more of a downturn, I'm not overly concerned about it, and I think the markets are going to do pretty well overall heading into the new year. These are all 9 of my current positions. Right now, Nvidia, Amazon, Microsoft, Walmart, and Meta make out my top 5, and those are going to make up 47.38% of my portfolio. Right now, I have 77.35% of my portfolio invested, which means I have 22.65 sitting in cash. I'm going to wait and see what the market does over the next few days before deciding if I want to increase any more of my positions. Since Wednesday, my portfolio went down 1.92%, the S&P 500 saw a decline of 1.9%, and Pershing Square went down 1.2%, which brings us year to date. My portfolio has a gain of 27.73%, the S&P 500 is at a gain of 23.78%, and Pershing Square on the year has a gain of 0.44%. That's going to do it for today. I do make these videos every Sunday and Tuesday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Tuesday.